Let's recap some key ideas. The system-level safety case is required by 4600 and it provides direction for safety. It highlights gaps in evidence and arguments so that when you think something is true, you actually have a concrete reason to believe that and you can point to it and say, yes, this is why it's true. The vehicle, infrastructure, and lifecycle processes all matter. If a safety case depends on it, that makes it safety related, and that includes not only the vehicle, but also data feeds, map data, infrastructure, and all the types of things that might be related to safety are covered by 4600. Metrics, SPIs, safety performance indicators, are combined with feedback loops to make sure that anything your safety case depends upon being true for safety is actually looked at, and if it turns out to be invalid or things change over the life cycle, you'll get feedback to update your system and your safety case to maintain safety and improve it over time. There's a third-party EOC component interface that allows you to install third-party components without the third-party vendor having to reveal the details of their safety case. And ultimately, the point of 4600 is to help you know that you've done enough safety work.